Faith Walk Realities, 7 Keys to Wise Decision-Making Under Pressure. When pressure is high and time is short, think deep, live wise. Welcome to Wisdom Path, where insight, calm, and clarity lead the way. Today's question: how do we make wise decisions when pressure is high and time is short? Whether you are facing a personal crisis, career dilemma, or emotional crossroads, this video will equip you with practical wisdom to pause, process, and proceed with confidence. Let's explore how to make wise decisions under pressure without panic, regret, or confusion. Pressure happens to everyone. Pressure is not the enemy. Poor judgment under pressure is. Even wise people can make foolish decisions when urgency clouds clarity. We often say things like, "I did not have time to think. I just reacted. I was stressed and made a quick choice." But wisdom is not about knowing everything. It's about responding well when things are not clear. How to make wise decisions under pressure. 7 keys to wise decision-making under pressure. Let's walk through 7 keys that help you respond wisely when the heat is on. 1. Pause before reacting. Pressure says, act now. Wisdom says, pause and breathe. Even a 60-second pause can prevent a 6-month mistake. Practical tip: take 3 deep breaths and say aloud, "I choose wisdom, not reaction." 2. Ask the right questions. Instead of "what do I do?" ask, "What is the wise thing to do? What will matter most 1 year from now? What honors my values or faith?" Practical tip: have 3 anchor questions written somewhere, phone note, journal, and wall, to ask when chaos strikes. 3. Seek perspective from trusted voices. When pressure clouds your mind, you need clarity from outside your own emotions. Practical tip: call one trusted mentor, friend, or counselor. In the multitude of counselors, there is safety. Not to be told what to do, but to be reminded of who you are. 4. Do not decide based on fear or ego. Pressure often triggers our worst motivations. Fear of failure. Need to prove ourselves. Wanting instant relief. Wisdom check. Ask yourself, if I wasn't afraid, what would I choose? Then, is this about peace or pride? 5. Separate the emotion from the issue. Feelings are real, but they're not always reliable. When we act from emotion instead of evaluation, we magnify the problem. Practical tip: write down the issue, then write your emotions on the side. Read it aloud. Often the issue becomes clearer when it is separated from the noise. 6. Sleep on it if you can. Time is a wise teacher. What feels urgent now may not even matter by tomorrow. Wisdom move. If it is not life-threatening or irreversible, wait at least 1 night before deciding. You do not gain wisdom in sleep, but clarity often rises with rest. 7. Pray or meditate for clarity. Wisdom often comes in stillness. Spiritual tip: pray, meditate, or journal your decision. Focus on your belief or your conscience to reveal what aligns with peace, purpose, and your principles. Real-life examples. Let's consider a few everyday examples. You receive a job offer with high pay but a toxic environment. Pressure says, "Take it now." Wisdom asks, "Is peace worth more than paycheck?" You are tempted to reply to a harsh message. Pressure says, "Fire back." Wisdom asks, "Is this response healing or harmful?" You are in a financial pinch and want to take a risky shortcut. Pressure says, "Fix it fast." Wisdom asks, "Is this long-term sustainable?" Key takeaways recap. When under pressure, remember these anchors. 1. Pause and breathe. 2. Ask the wise question. 3. Seek outside clarity. 4. Avoid ego and fear-led decisions. 5. Separate emotions from facts. 6. Rest if possible. 7. Meditate, reflect, or journal. Decisions made in wisdom may not always feel easy, but they bring peace, strength, and stability. Thank you for walking with Wisdom Path today. If this video helped you, like, comment, and subscribe. Share your favorite wisdom habit in the comments. We'd love to hear your journey. Remember, think deep, live wise. Until next time, stay grounded, stay discerning, and keep walking the path.